Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic technical things every civil engineer should know about. So let's begin. How to calculate weight per meter for steel bars. The formula is d square by 162. Here the d is diameter of steel bar. Let us take an example of 6 mm diameter bar. 6 into 6 divided by 162 is 0.22 kg per meter. Same formula we can apply for other diameter of bars. 8 mm diameter 0.4 kg per meter, 10 mm diameter 0.62 kg per meter, 12 mm diameter 0.89 kg per meter, 16 mm diameter 1.58 kg per meter. With same formula we can calculate the weight for any other diameter of steel bar. Important IS codes to keep in mind. IS 456 is used for PCC and RCC. IS 1786 is used for HYSD steel bars, that is FE 415 and FE 500. IS 1200 is used for measurement of building and civil works. Difference between 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade of cement. 33 grade cement attains minimum compressive strength of 33 Newton per mm square in 28 days, whereas 43 grade and 53 grade cement attains minimum compressive strength of 43 Newton per mm square and 53 Newton per mm square in 28 days respectively. Difference between OPC and PPC. OPC stands for Ordinary Portland Cement. Its composition is 95% cement clinkers and 5% gypsum, whereas PPC is Portland Pozzolana Cement. Its composition is 75% cement clinkers, 5% gypsum and 20% fly ash. OPC gains early strength and has cost advantage and mostly used for construction of core, that is columns, beams, slabs, etc. When fly ash is added to OPC, it becomes PPC. The effect of fly ash is lower rate of heat of hydration, less cracks, reduced shrinkage, better workability and finishing. Recommended use of PPC is for brick masonry, plastering, tiling and waterproofing works. What are the grades of concrete? Here you can see the grades of concrete and their mix ratios and their compressive strength. Here the meaning of M is mix. Mix is the proportion of cement, sand and aggregate in the concrete. Up to M20 grade, this mix is a nominal mix. From M25, standard mix is used. In nominal mix, the proportion of cement, sand and aggregate is on the basis of their volumes. But in case of design mix, the proportion of cement, sand and aggregate is on the basis of their weights. Meaning of M20 is minimum compressive strength of M20 grade concrete in 28 days is 20 Newton per mm square. Important density of materials to keep in mind. Mild steel 7850 kg per m cube, RCC 2500 kg per m cube, PCC 2400 kg per m cube, cement 1440 kg per m cube, red brick 1900 kg per m cube, water 1000 kg per m cube. Setting time of concrete. The initial setting time of concrete is 30 minutes and the final setting time of concrete is 10 hours. Deshuttering time of different RCC members. For columns, walls and vertical formworks, the deshuttering time is 16 to 24 hours. For soffit, formwork to slabs, deshuttering time is 3 days. Props to be refixed after removal. Soffit to beams, 7 days. Props to be refixed after removal. Beams spanning up to 4.5 meter, 7 days. Beams spanning over 4.5 meter, 14 days. Arches spanning up to 6 meter, 14 days. Arches spanning over 6 meter, 21 days. The difference between one-way slab and two-way slab. In case of one-way slab, the ratio of longer span to shorter span is greater than 2, and in case of two-way slab, ratio of longer span to shorter span is less than or equal to 2. Checking the quality of cement at site. Date of manufacturing. Cement strength decreases with its age. Color. Color should be grey with light greenish shade and it should be uniform. Color gives an indication of excess lime or clay. Float test. A good cement won't float if you throw a cement in water. When you put your hand in cement bag, you should feel cool. Compressive strength of brick. For second class brick, the compressive strength is 70 kg per centimeter square. For first class brick, it is 105 kg per centimeter square. Fire brick, it is 125 kg per centimeter square. Concrete tests. Slump test compressive strength test, water permeability test, water absorption test. Least cover provided for different RCC members. For footing, the cover should be 50 mm. For column, 40 mm. For beam, 25 mm. And for slab, 20 mm. So friends, these are the few basic things every civil engineer should know about. I am going to create some more videos on this topic. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you have any doubts or you have any suggestions, then you can post a comment. Subscribe.